Hey, so what's up guys, this is me and I'm back with another video, and this video gonna be very helpful for you because friends, in this video I'm gonna tell you that how could you do a deep keyword research through ahrefs, and this will definitely help you doing your website SEO and ranking your article on the Google search page. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So here we are on computer screen, and for this for the keyword research we are going to use the keyword explorer of ahrefs, because I love ahrefs because it gives so much accurate results in comparison of most or different type of SEO researchers like Mongol and Super Suggest. So we are going to continue with the ahrefs keyword explorer. So like you have to analyze that on which topic, on which niche you want to write. Okay, so I'm gonna write on health, so I will just type over here. Okay, so where's my health, and just hit enter over here. And I know that's an impossible task for everyone to rank on SERP in a short period of time. It could be really impossible. Yes, 98 keyword difficulty. So we know that we can't rank on this keyword, so we are just going to click on this phrase match over here. It will show you around 8 million, I guess, or above this keyword, about so many keywords it will show you over here. As you can see, I was right because I have done this last night, and so many keywords came over here. So what I do is to just click on this KD and just I write over here 1 and 3. That would be a easy task. Okay, so I will just click on apply and just wait to load the keyword. Okay, so here we go. There are 58,657 keyword having difficulty in between of 1 to 3. Amazing. And their CPC, look at their CPC. Oh my god, amazing. Okay, I got an amazing keyword over here. Oh my god. Okay, so here we go. Like guys, complete children's health, that's a great keyword. Difficulty just 2. Just we have to click on this keyword which you have which the keyword you have chosen. You just have to click on that keyword and then it will fetch the data of that keyword. Okay, so here we go. Amazing. Just only 2 difficulty over here, and the monthly volume is 4.5k. Amazing. Okay, so CPC is all good, $2.5. That's amazing. Okay, so now what we are gonna do is to analyze that that my website is eligible to rank on this keyword or not. Okay, so first we'll start from the first result, which is ranking on the top. So it's a website, we can't compete it. So number 2, it's a Facebook page of this website. I guess I'm right. Okay, so we'll start from number 4. That's a website. We can't also beat this website. This again, we also can't beat that website. Okay, so here we go. We have found a website having ahrefs rank around 16 million, but that's, I think, the website of the same company, I guess. Yes, because they are having same names, and we also can't beat this website, but we could come to the second page of Google. Yes, I am right. If we will work hard for this keyword, if we get quality backlinks related to children's health, it could come on this first page, I guess, or I guess second page, because over here, guys, the our focus keyword would be just complete children's health. So over here, when we'll scroll down, just 1, 2 and 3 are following or working on this keyword, I guess. Yes, I'm right. And this one, other are having health, Lincoln knee, I guess. Yes, we could compete them. Yes, we could beat them, I guess. Yes, I'm gonna work on this keyword. Okay, so this is the way you could do a keyword research, and this is really simple method I have told in the video. If you learned anything in this video, I will request you to like this video, make sure you subscribe. I would be really happy if you would be the part of our community. Stay tuned with the channel. So many content is coming related to SEO and digital marketing. Bye.